channel. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So I really noticed that y'all loved my loft bed build hack video, and it hit like, I don't even know how much it is, but a lot. So today I'm going to be doing another build hack video, but with a bed. So let's get started. So first of all, let me I'm going to sell this fan because I don't want that, and it's going to get in my way. Okay. So I moved the pianos in here just so I could do this build hack right here because it's really cheap and not that big. So I just need a rug. You want this rug where it's like this, and you're gonna change it to the color you want, but I'm gonna use this color because it's really cute and I like it. Maybe I'll just keep it like right here. For now, I'll keep it right here. Yeah, okay. And now what you want to do is you want to get this really cheap bed. And this is going to work for it. Not this one, not this one, not this one. This is perfect for people that don't have a lot of money like me. And look really cute, so like, why not? Whoops, I typed in bed. Well, I typed in B, but yeah. I'm sorry that I'm kind of whispering, it's just because it's 6 something in the morning. And yeah, so like, don't judge. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to get bricks, which you can find in simple shapes, and you're going to put it all around the bed. Wait, whoops. Guys, I'm literally pressing the wrong things. Okay. You can't really see the bricks because in my house, the floors are white, so if you have different floors, it would show up probably, so yeah. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna keep on putting bricks along this side, matching up with this side, because right now I can't see if I matched up with it, and I did not. Maybe if I just turn this one brick like this color for a second. Okay, yeah. Now I can match it up. Okay, yeah, maybe for now we'll just keep it this color because I need to see where all my stuff is going to be placed. Again, very easy, very cheap build hack. So hopefully you guys like this one because it's really cool and a cute build hack for people that don't have a lot of money like me. Because I got hacked from my account from $5,000. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna start on this side. Okay, I just had to match it up. I'm sorry I'm not that talkative. I mean, maybe I am. But like, I'm just trying to keep you entertained while I'm doing this. So, yes. Okay, it's lined up, but I just need to line up with the edge of the bed. Okay, that looks good. Now I need another brick, our last brick. So okay, now I'm gonna color it white. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to do another layer of this. So I'll come back once I do that other layer. Hey guys, I literally just finished putting all of the bricks on top. So now what you want to do is you want to take the beds out of it, so there's like a little pit, and then what you want to do is you want to get one more brick, just like that. Doesn't matter what color it is because I'm not going to be shown. Put it like that, sideways. Then you're going to get a pet bed, but the cheap ones. So you're going to get this bed right here. I'm just gonna color it this color just in case. I don't know. But yeah. Make sure it's on top of the bricks. Then you're going to take the bed, put it back in. And there you go. You can put your pet there, you can sleep there, and you can sleep there. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video. So, love you guys. Bye.